How to connect a soundbar to your Xfinity X1. So in general, we should already have what ports are going to be on the Xfinity X1 since we have the specific model, but for your soundboard, it could be very different and can vary from different kinds of brands and models. But we do have a few things you can try over here is a list so that you can use them as a basis or as a reference. So here it is. So connecting a soundbar to your Xfinity X1 box enhances your TV audio for multiple ways, but you can connect it via HDMI, ARC, optical cables, or Bluetooth, depending on your soundbar's capabilities and your TV's output. So make sure both your soundbar and X1 box are powered on before starting the TV as well. So first one, check your soundbar and TV inputs. Again, it also depends on your TV brand and soundboard along with its models. So look for an HDMI ARC port. It should just be labeled HDMI ARC or TV ARC or something that says optical on your soundbar. So make sure your TV also has the matching output port. For the HDMI ARC connection, which is recommended, you can use an HDMI cable to connect the HDMI ARC port on your TV to the HDMI ARC port on your soundbar. So enable HDMI CEC or CEC/ARC settings in your TV menu to allow audio control. You should be able to find this in your general settings in your TV. Another is to use an optical cable connection. So this is an alternative. So connect a digital optical cable from the TV's optical out to the soundbar's optical in, and then switch your soundbar to the optical input mode. For Bluetooth connection, which is the wireless option, you can put your soundbar in pairing mode, and then on your TV or X1 box, you can go to settings, then audio, and then Bluetooth devices, and then select your soundbar. You can also go ahead and try adjusting the TV audio settings. So set your TV audio output to external speaker or receiver depending on your TV model. Then you can test by playing content on your Xfinity X1 box and just confirm if the sound comes out or gets through the soundbar itself. But those are a few options you can try depending on your soundbar to connect your soundbar to the Xfinity X1. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.